All right, it's going to be a video log. So, going to work today, I had a plan, and that plan changed, but still the same. There's just firewood on the plan today. I was like, all right, I got to quote this restaurant job, got to quote a small job, do some odds and ends on admin stuff for my other business. But then somebody wanted firewood. I was like, I'll deliver that today. The system is ready to fire. I was like, I got all the bins full. I got the wood cut behind the bins from the other day. So when that drops off, I can, I've developed a system. If you got 5 bins now, which is a whole lot to cut if you try to cut that yourself in a day, let me tell you, you're gassed. And I got the wood behind, anyhow. So once I get down to 1 bin, I'll call the people who come split all the wood for me. And that'll be my system. Because I got a 3-load buffer. Anyhow. So that's how the work day's going. I got some complaints. This will just be fun stuff. 1, my truck's filthy, but I'm too tired to clean it because if you go cut wood and move wood for 2 or 3 hours, the last thing you care about is cleaning your truck. But normally my stuff's all clean, but not now. Side note. Also, I've been using a lot of AI for everything, and I want to re-go over this. That AI is a tool. But I deal with it a lot. I got AI for the firewood business, AI for my security business, I even got AI things to understand what people are talking about sometimes. Like, I just don't get the concepts. I'm like, huh? And AI will break it down for me. So maybe we'll talk a little about AI. So if you're wondering what AI has done for me, it really is just a clarity thing. I can react a lot faster because I can make decisions a lot faster. Instead of like something being a daunting task, or oh gosh, I got to put all this together, blah blah blah. I got to count it minute by minute, or do this, or research that. A lot of the research can be done instantaneously, and I can get my answers. And then about AI, if you're just using one AI chat and one sandbox, you're gonna break it. You might not know it if you're using your phone, but eventually the thing hallucinates. When I first discovered this, I was quite dismayed. I was like, what is this nonsense? Now they all do it. Now I'm used to it. So I got a hack for all that. I don't know if I talked about that in my other videos. You basically create a master sheet, and I'm on like version 2, version 3. Eventually, when your chat gets way, way long, you reset the whole thing and start anew. And then that's how you go. But I'm literally using chat for I'm using Chat GPT now. I've used DeepSeek as well. I crashed that. I've used Gemini. I crashed that. Chat. I've crashed that. Crashing, I mean it starts hallucinating where it's not useful. You start it again. But I'm currently just still using Chat GPT, doing the $20 a month version, and I got one for my security business. And in the security business, it's got the ops one. I've got a pricing one. I've got a tech support sandbox. So that's 3 right there. Firewood, I've got the ops one. The operations, what we're doing. I've got a YouTube one. And that's going to branch out on its own. The YouTube one's really just the Spartan Empire. That one, helps me get clarity. Like the other night, I learned that my channel, I have a good channel apparently. I had no idea because I'm just documenting stuff, but whatever I'm doing is working. I got a real subscriber count now. So that's in the background. We're building the Spartan Empire YouTube channel. And I use AI to do the descriptions in it, the hashtags, the titles. Mainly because I don't want to do all that nonsense. If I can sub that out, I will. You learn when you run businesses and you've just been running things, you got kids and all that if you can sub some stuff out, do it. Like we were reading this book this morning, my wife and I couldn't answer the questions and she got mad at me. So I had to put in an AI. I was like, what does this question mean? And then I got it, but it was too late. I already made the woman beast angry. But anyhow, that'll pass. So that's how AI works. If you use that as a tool, it's great. If you think it's going to be your best friend, it's not. But it does say interesting things in AI. Like, it will tell me, this is interesting, this is exciting. I'm like, this is programmed pretty well. I almost believe it. Then I like to ask AI all the time. This is some personal things I like to ask AI. How am I doing on this operation compared to most people? I'll ask it my intelligence levels, just to see. Not because I'm conceited or anything. I just wanted to know. I'm like, well, am I smarter than anybody else, or what's the difference in me and anybody else? And then it gives me, this and this and that and blah blah blah. what it said about me, you have to talk to it long enough to, it can build pattern recognition in your speech, is that I like concise stuff. I don't like a whole bunch of emotions. Starts wasting my time. I don't want to be therapizing AI will try to therapize you. Like you said, I'll be like, I'm tired. Cut all this firewood. Should you could, but you need to stay motivated. This and this and that. I'm like, all right. Or it'll be like, don't hurt yourself. Like, what are you talking about? Like, it's weird, but where I was going, stay on topic. This is what self-employed people do. It basically says I'm an operator. I think in systems. That's why I love Firewood. It's systems based. I think firewood is one of like the most purest things you can ever do. You just cut wood and you sell it. There's no follow up. There's no nothing, and they call you again and you sell it again. That's why I love firewood. It's just it's easy. It's just easy business compared to what I've been doing for like 20 years. That business is technicals, networking, security, this, that, customer service, follow ups, ongoing issues that you got to fix. And it's like, it's never ending. I'm used to it. I've done it forever, but when I start comparing businesses now, and I like the model where I sell something easy and I'm done. So I've even with my ops on my other business, I've started narrowing that down on our focus, and everything helps you. Like once you start learning how to run things properly, like efficiency and simplicity is the easiest thing that I've learned in business. Anyhow. I think I probably got off topic. But yeah, that's my morning rant that I'll give to the viewers who are watching while I'm heading to my firewood yard, smelling like chainsaw gas from yesterday, and the truck's dirty and all that jazz. All right, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe, and hopefully I gave you some insight on something. That's the whole idea. Oh, I did figure out that a lot of tradespeople watch my channel, and so for all the tradespeople, AI is definitely a tool. Definitely get with the program. Start asking it questions about your business and how to run it and simplicity. If you're a builder mindset like me, I'm a builder. I build things. I find bottlenecks. I don't even think about the money half the time. That's just a part of the product. Like firewood, I've never thought about the money. I just wanted to do it. And then the money starts coming, and then you gotta, you figure it out. But if you build the system, it'll work, and you'll make money from it naturally. I guess that's what I've learned in all the businesses. I'm building systems. All right, anyhow, we're real for real this time. Over and out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.